Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove the whole shifter assembly right here. The whole boot with all the buttons and everything, how to get it out of there if you need to work on something. So stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. So you need to get a prying tool. Okay, we have the links for the tools we use on our website mechaniclifestyle.com, and towards the front side you need to lift it up. Okay, then you're going to pull it out, and we have the wires, okay, right here. So on this one you're going to press here and pull it out, and you need to disconnect, okay, this one as well. Now you can actually, okay, what you need to do, make sure you have the park brake on. Okay, park brake is on. You can click that switch, the override switch, and put it, okay, in neutral. Okay, like that. So now we can lift it up, okay, all the way like that. Next, okay, that twisty thing on the bottom, you need to turn counterclockwise, okay, like that, and then you pull straight up. Alright guys, so that's how you remove the whole assembly. If you need to, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.